Hi everyone. For today, I will try local Cyprus fruits, which is Misfila. I just had few because I already ate. I just wanted to show you. It looks like mango, but it's not mango. It's just the size of uh, lanzones. If you know the size of lanzones, it's about that size. So yeah, we'll eat. We will eat. Most of them eat as it is, except the the seed. They eat dark. Can be eaten. Can be eaten like this. You see? The seed is so big. Very juicy. So that's one way of eating it. But I prefer to eat without skin. Just peel it off. Just eat it easy to peel off. Like this. Because I feel a little, it feels rough for me. So that's why I don't like the skin. But it's the way they eat it. It takes like which food is same size. It tastes not I couldn't find I couldn't think of fruits the same as this. But it's almost the same as lanzones. But this is juicier than lanzones. Juicier and sweet. I only had this earlier. I just finishing the whole things. Because if you didn't eat it for a long time, it's not good. It's very juicy that it's dripping. Nice. This fruit also can found some places like Lebanon, Jordan, Israel, maybe. Because I saw it in Lebanon, so part of this country that has snow, cold probably, has this. One more. So I'm not really sure it is mainly in Cyprus, but I saw it in Lebanon when I was there. I don't know where it originally came from. Bye. Bye.